Are you looking for the best stand mixers? In this video we will look at some of the best stand mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Kenwood Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine. The Kenwood Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine is a powerhouse in the world of kitchen appliances. With up to 800 watts of power and the precision of electronic variable speed control, it provides a chef-inspired mixing experience. The gradual incorporation of ingredients at low speeds ensures they stay in the bowl, keeping your countertop mess-free. This kitchen machine boasts turbocharged power, thanks to a European-designed motor with twice the power of ordinary stand mixers. This high-torque motor handles the heaviest loads effortlessly, and the dual-motor ventilation system prevents overheating, ensuring a longer motor life. The construction of the Kenwood Chef Titanium is top-notch, featuring a stainless steel work bowl with rugged handles for durability. The 3 included stainless steel mixing tools, a power whisk, a dough hook, and the unique K-beater maximize mixing performance. Plus, all these components are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer. The Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer is a kitchen powerhouse designed for superior mixing performance. Its robust electric mixer motor and gearing system ensure constant speed and power, making it capable of effortlessly handling dense and heavy bread doughs. One of its standout features is the unique bowl lift design, allowing for easy bowl adjustment and optimum stability. With a simple turn of the handle, the bowl can be lifted up and securely locked into the mixing position. This stand mixer also offers greater control over mixing speed, thanks to its variable infinite speed dial, providing precision control for every recipe. The pulse function allows for gentle incorporation of ingredients into the mixture. The mixer's versatility is further enhanced by its specialty attachment area, allowing for additional functionalities like meat grinding when using compatible attachments. Sold separately, the simplified magnetized attachment cover and locking system makes switching between attachments practically effortless. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet all your mixing needs. As the #1 mixer brand in the world, KitchenAid has crafted this mixer with durable and long-lasting metal construction, featuring 67 touch points around the bowl for optimal mixing results. The 3.5 quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for smaller batches, allowing you to whip up to 5 dozen cookies in a single batch. The bowl is also dishwasher safe, ensuring easy and convenient cleanup after use. The tilt head design provides better access to the bowl, allowing you to easily add ingredients and lock the head in place during mixing. Despite its smaller size, the Artisan Mini packs the same power as the KitchenAid Classic Stand Mixer, making it lighter and more portable. Its compact design takes up less counter space, providing practicality for any kitchen. Number 4. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 is a versatile and powerful stand mixer designed to elevate your culinary experience. Available in various colors and crafted with a zinc and stainless steel fabric type, this mixer allows you to choose the one that complements your style and personality. Equipped with a 5QT stainless steel bowl featuring a comfortable handle, it offers ample capacity to handle large batches, making it suitable for mixing dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. The 59-point planetary mixing action ensures thorough ingredient incorporation with 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl. The tilt head design provides clear access to the bowl and attached beater or accessory, facilitating easy ingredient addition during the cooking process. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center by offering more than 15 optional attachments, expanding its functionality.